My name's Miranda. I'm the chef owner of Laffa, an Israeli restaurant in downtown Tulsa. I started this restaurant with my husband, Philip, 10 years ago. Today, I'm gonna make my good version of a lemon chicken. This recipe came about because I like anything, well, that I can set fire to. I love eggplant and roasted red peppers. You're gonna cook this probably about 5 minutes each side until it gets nice and black. Here's a finished red pepper. Here's a finished eggplant. Put it into a mini food processor. All right, next we're gonna make the burnt lemons. They give a little bit of a char taste to the end sauce, and again, it just looks pretty. As my mother would say, you can add, but you can't take away. A few cherry tomatoes, a little bit of that olive canola oil. This is some Berber spice, bit of kosher salt. Swirl it around. And what you want to do is get this in a very, very hot oven. We are going to go ahead and cook off the chicken. Now, I made a marinade, a very, very simple marinade. I blended up some lemonade concentrate. That's my secret ingredient. A load of fresh mint, some parsley, cilantro, cumin, whatever I had lying around, and some scallions. When this is nice and hot, I shall go ahead and add these chicken thighs. What I love about gas is I can see if it's, too hot, too low. I'm gonna add some trimmed green beans. Now this chicken, all I want is a little bit of color on this, and then we'll finish cooking it in the sauce that we started earlier. You can take out those green beans, put them in the ice bath. Now we're gonna finish up this sauce. I'm gonna add the wine. Well, I'm gonna add most of it. Some of it I won't. Once it's to a consistency that I'm quite happy with, I'm gonna add that chicken back in, and it's gonna finish cooking. If there are any juices left on the pan, get it in. Don't throw that stuff away, that's gold. Now, last minute, I'm gonna add those cherry tomatoes and a bit more parsley and those blistered lemons we did earlier. Get those beans in, a little bit of that garlic. Added the cherry tomatoes, add the burnt lemon, a bit more parsley. And there we have it, a good version of a lemon chicken with a roasted eggplant, roasted red pepper sauce. I think you're really going to enjoy this.